Hey everybody, it's Brandon. I wanted to say hello to East Hill Church of Christ, and we wanted to say thank you for everything that you did, and we want to encourage you as you're getting ready to kick off your Change the World campaign for Vacation Bible School. I want you to be able to see firsthand why you're doing this, and I've got a few friends behind me that want to say a few words to you. So I'm going to turn it over to them right now.
Uno, dos, tres. La canción. A la canción. Bueno, otra vez gracias. Uno, dos, tres. ¡Gracias!
Jesus loves me.
Y digan, Jesús me ama a la cuenta de tres. Uno, dos, tres. ¡Jesús me ama!
All right, they're going to teach you to sing one of their favorite songs. We're going to show them the video of Jesus Loves Me in English. They're going to teach you how to sing Jesus Loves Me now in Spanish. So here it goes.
Cristo me ama.
Cristo me ama.
Bueno, la canción de Cristo me ama a la cuenta de tres. ¿Se la saben, verdad? Bueno, empecemos a la cuenta. Uno, dos, tres. Cristo me ama.
Thanks for all your help. Hope you guys have a great Vacation Bible School. Talk to you soon.